All right, so let's see how we can use the Bootstrap library, CSS library, to add this list of items on the left-hand side. We have here a page that's been broken into like a 1/3 on the left and 2/3 on the right-hand side. And let's focus on seeing how we can create this list of items on the left-hand side. So on a previous video, we showed you how to create this 1/3, 2/3 split, side by side like this using Bootstrap rows and columns. So here we're going to show you how we're going to replace the left-hand side right here, which just has some dummy content. We're going to replace it with these lists of items like this on the left-hand side. So to do that, let's go take a look at the Bootstrap CSS library. Let's go into the components, and I believe somewhere down here, there it is. If you go to list groups, gives you a snippet of code that you can take as a starting point. So let's click on copy. We'll go to the page that we started working earlier, and it's this one right here that implements this page over here. So actually let's leave that by itself, and let's create a new directory, and say that we're going to add the list group. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah, list group. So list group. And so in here, we're going to replace the left content. Here, we're going to replace it with that list group. So let's copy that again. And we're going to replace this entire section over here with that snippet of code. There we go. So let's go back and refresh the page. That's not the one. I think we called it list group. There we go. We have the left-hand side with content. We can make these hyperlinks. Okay? So by simply adding an anchor around all these contents over here. So we can say A, like that. If we go back, notice that it adds the styling of highlight, and also the color blue, hinting at the fact that these are indeed hyperlinks. We can do something similar with the others. Before we continue, typically it's a good idea to also add the href attribute, even if we don't know yet where it's going. It's a good idea to at least give it a point it to a hash. So let's do that for all of these. There we go. Okay, and let's copy this over to all of them. There you go. And we'll do it for all of these. And we'll copy this one below to close each one of the anchors. Right now, all these are hard-coded hyperlinks, but eventually these will be all dynamic and dynamically generated from a database query. Go back. There we go. We have a list. Right? And if we copy and paste lots of these, we can have a really long list of items. There we go. Wait a minute. Okay, copy that. Paste it several times. A really long list. And notice that we have this really long list of items. Now, for now, notice that it's not scrolling, but we'll show you how to add the scrolling feature, left-hand side feature, in an upcoming video.